Today we made lasagna, Zina recipe, traditional Sicilian lasagna. And look how beautiful look. Hi everyone, buongiorno a tutti. Today we're gonna make lasagna. This is a recipe, it's my wife's recipe, Zina. This is traditional Sicilian lasagna. And now I'm gonna show you what actually goes in here. We got zucchini and eggplant fried a little bit. Here mozzarella, Christmas ham, boiled eggs, and dried cheese, Romano cheese. Sorry, we're using the fresh lasagna sheet. By right, we should have made our own pasta, but what we did, we'd be lazy. So we got the easy way. And this is the actual bolognese sauce already made. It's beautiful. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit down the bottom. So we spread them all over. I just soak them in with Max Lori's, say nice and stretch in here. Max Lori's will lie in the dish. First goes sauce. Now, it doesn't matter which goes first. Zucchini and eggplant. This is my first eggplant picked today. Here we got some mozzarella. A little bit boiled eggs. A lot of people make lasagna different way. We really love this. You know, you got everything in. My mother-in-law used to do this way. And you know, we're still doing it. My wife does the same. And some grated Romano cheese. Okay, now we put more pasta again. And this is the last layer. We just put some sauce and mozzarella. This mozzarella will seal everything up when it's melted and make a nice looking crusty on top. Beautiful. The lasagna goes in the oven here, and after 180 degrees, it probably takes 35-40 minutes to cook. See this spatula here? You're probably about 50 years old. And still comes in, it does a good job. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is hot, too hot. It's so good and delicious. Buon Appetito, I should have said it before. Very nice. And you can have this with a bit of salad on the side or whatever you choose. With this sort of food, the lasagna, you need a bit of red wine. Salute! It's so good, beautiful, delicious.